Welcome to back to my YouTube channel back again. You see, welcome. You know, miss me for a little while and thing. You see, big up to each and every one up on my YouTube channel. The one who did it a long time and the one who just come and the one who did it before, and now move because they believe in me. You see, but me I gonna do a blog. Why me not do? For a couple long, for how long? Me know. Me not do video for, but we not gonna talk about that today still. But me come to talk about that video today. You see, people, big up, me just want to like a video, share the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and click the notify bell. You understand? Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See more. You understand? Yeah, we gonna talk about video. One little thing will go down up on my workplace this yesterday. You see, with me and name Perry. You see, Perry. Everybody know him. You see that brownie out there, and he have a YouTube channel and thing. You see, that famous out there. You see, but hold on, you're gonna get tonight. You see. We're really in Chanfire. What is it? I'm there.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe me. If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Alright, people. The tire shop. I work at the Tesco gas station, and through my family, they control the tire shop too. I work on the also. You understand? Yes. The rules of tire shop is when somebody call in a vehicle, that person deal with that person. You see it? When somebody call in a vehicle, that person deal with that person. Change off the tire, deal with them, make him tire patch and anything. That person deal with them till him done and get through. Yesterday, with that tire shop, Mr. Perry driving, you see it? But me that deal with a customer at the time, but me don't deal with my customer. You see, Perry driving, I look at a youth calling me in, right? I'm not going to tell me I'm wrong or right. Listen, a youth calling me in, and the youth I look on Perry away. Me don't know if I chew him voice or him talk or you see, me a pray him, and I say, oh, I look on Perry, so. You see it, and right, you see, but me not to have that feeling, me don't know where my pain in my mind, you see. Boom now, me see him pump up all of the wheels, and the left wheel, him stuck at the left wheel like nearly night, you see. When me hear Perry I say, you know, him have a spear, him have put on the spear. And I said, why? That's that puzzle brain, and I said, and the tire can fix, repair, you see, because it's a nail, it can repair. Boom now, I go over there. Boom now, I go over there. But Perry do a video I want to watch, so, you see, and thing. I see, Perry do a video, and thing. I want to watch Perry video and then me come back talk. You understand? I want to tell me if me wrong or right. Now, I'm going to watch Perry video. You see? Watch a video.
Okay, so I've been having a slow leak in my tire for a couple days now, and I've been meaning to get air in the tire, but I just wasn't able to get to the tire shop to do it. Finally able to do it, right? And I'm at a very popular tire shop at a very popular place in Kingston, Jamaica. And I pull up and I tell the man, you know, sort out the tire for me, rotate, blah blah blah. So him sort out the back tire, which was the tire with the slow leak, and I tell him check all the other tires. When I'm done now, him said to me, say, boy boss, you know, say a nail in the tire come out, come look. Anyways, I come out, come look, and she said the nail in the tire, right? And I pay my money. Now the money I pay him was $200, right? I'm not trying to discount anybody's work or try to determine how much they should get paid or anything, but normally when you come out, I say just, give them a little money and things. So I give my 2 bills, because really and truly that's a whole hose and I put air in the tire. Anyways, I said to him, say, now, what we are going to do about the nail in the tire and thing? He said, boy, I have a spare, can change it. Him say, alright, cool. Him give a next man the work. Anyways, the next man now is a very popular man on TikTok, and I did not know that. I'm coming to find that out now, right? And him said to me, say, go park over there, so rotate him, deal with it for him. Say, alright, fine, him can patch it. But him pulled me one aside and him said to me, say, boy, Jano, say, the man said not do it because you're broke. And I said, what? I'm so confused. What do you mean? Him say, yeah, man, you're broke. So in my head now, I said to myself, say, boy, him probably never want to do the patch or change tire work because me give him 2 bills. So watch a style here now. You see the man will deal with my tire, a 5 bills to patch it, but I'm going to give him $2,000. $2,000. Alright, so see we here. We're with Hustler, Talk the Truth TV.
Yeah.
Tell the people them I, man. You not tell them I people.
What's up about the truth?
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, right there, shop, yeah. Yeah, right there.
So if you don't want the tire sort out,
Right there, so.
Hustler.
Yeah, we do one.
So, your friend earlier, well, I don't know if I'm your friend, but I gave him 2 bills earlier, right? And because you did the work,
Yeah.
and a 5 bills feed,
Yeah.
I give you 2 grand.
Alright.
So big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
And tell the people that if I find you.
Yo, you find me a Barbican. I write across on Sugar and Spice, the ugliest man there.
And people, to tell the truth, listen, I call over the reason why I tell Perry that is it. He said the man tell him, say, him broke. You understand? When Perry drive for go over this spot when we put him for kick off the wheel, the man say, wow, into a batty boy, yeah, and him broke. He don't have no money for getting away. True, but True, me don't want to start the argument. You see, me not, but I tell Perry that. You see, coming up, Perry that probably go over there, go cuss him. Me don't know how Perry stays still, but me don't know. You see, but here one, if somebody come to look up the ball tire, him not have to say, and Perry get $200. Remember the rules at the tire shop and that here free. If somebody donate something to I get it up to them. You know, charge them for here. You see, how that do I say. Boom now we start out Perry tire and thing and start out the tire and everything go. And me I slide on TikTok and see video and I show the Ella, the boss. And I say, look here, look what video the dog do. Oh, dog a batty man, and the dog a this, and the dog a way, dog a this. Way. And that the youth are saying, the thing. And I say, if the dog a batty man, why you beg me see him when you're 500 out of what him give me? 15 business give me, I beg me 500 see him out of it. You see it? And boss I say, him do business. If him are that, or if him are that, we deal with everybody same way. That I say too. Because guess what? The man come fixing time. I look at the man away. I say, way better. Concern your business. I don't know if, and I don't want to know. That is not my business. It's film business, film life. I don't know. I don't want to know nothing about that. Man never come about that. Or you pick up that on your head. Is it? Yeah, or you pick up at that on your head. Say man are this and man are fish and man are that and man are this. But you still get the $200. You see, they still get the $200. no, some of them, if you just know, listen, the man upon a high class, different value. You see, the man upon a high level than you, and you try to compare you and the man this and man and that. Listen, man, that's why someone can't reach somewhere in life, because you know, try to brand somebody brand, because you don't know if the man are the same man or that. I know the man, I first never hear somebody say him a fish another you there. I never hear that nothing all time. Nothing. Me I go places and me never hear Perry. Me I ever hear people talk good about Perry. You see? Yeah. Yeah, me never hear nobody else say him a fish nobody else. No, never hear that yet. And I said, I'm watching video them when act like a man and woman. Yeah, but at the end of the day, you do that for your fun. And also, you see, everybody have to do something to make somebody laugh and somebody gain and so. You see, on YouTube, everybody do prank, all the people say we are weak and them something like that. I mean, hear people brand them in the street, or a party man that and whatever. You see, and tell them, you can't judge a book by the cover, you know. Because at the end of the day, the same man that brand and brand a man that batty man. They probably see man that brand the man, they probably like him a batty man. You see, me I tell you brother. And me lose the job from over a tire shop. They must say, me in for me have to come back there, come work. You see it? Yeah. End up lose the job. Me end up lose the job. I'm going to stick to me. We work at the gas station. You see it. But that's fine. Because when one door closes, another one open. You see it. And I try with my YouTube channel. I'm there at Truu. I got start out a roof over my head. Because I never have a roof over my head. My mother would want to get me out of her house. I have to pause my YouTube channel. People, I love them so much. Yeah. All of my subscribers, them, big up in themselves. I love it to my heart, to my soul. You see, big up. I'm not going to for them there. You see, I tell you. But some people, and that's why black people can't make it, you know, because them always have problem with people life. When for them life or waste. You understand? Always have problem with people life when your life or waste your time or waste like I done the drain. Perry come instead of it, just fix that time. Oh, you gone straight from the pine, say man of fish shine up and man over you. And that the man come and tell you shop, huh? No better. You see? And me never tell Perry that. More times say, oh, man say broke. Never style it. You see? If and them see me in far, them see me shouldn't tell him that. You see me just squash it and but me never end up say if you are reach where there so to me I lose my job, find the tire shop, can't do no more customer, can't do nothing around there. Me have to just stick to the gas station alone. But that's so when one door is closed and the other one open. You see, want to just subscribe to my YouTube channel and be back again. Me not stop with the back again. You see, if I get the chance to go in the street, go do some good interview, I can probably do some challenge and some story time. And some, but me I can keep on a post. You see, yes. Alright, big up in the day, I said. Why, I am out.